We're going at the car show. Yeah, that's an old looking crater, ain't it? Go check out some cars. The old Cougar with the vinyl top. 5 were ordered with that console. She's a 1 of 5 at least. Pretty cool. Got an unusual console loaded in there. Wonder what the console is. Yeah, I've seen this one a few times. That's a good looking car though. I like it. Yeah, good looking old cars there. The old Bel Air. Yes, sir. Aftermarket family. Go speedo on that rascal. Just a little bitty dial. Imagine that. Little bitty dial. Imagine trying to find that in the middle of the night.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. You know that look, that polished metal look.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That's like a car you see like.
Yeah. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Mm-hmm.
And narrow.
Yeah. So she's an Auburn. I don't see those very much. GT350 First Edition. That is a good looking little car. They put the sticker back on her. Had Carol Shelby signer on the inside. That is a pretty machine. Oof. That is a gorgeous car. It's a pretty Mustang.
Get a little closer to leaving Howell.
Howdy, sir. That your beauty?
Yep.
Oh gosh, that is a pretty machine, sir.
Yeah, I got this, a 73 Barracuda and a 22 Challenger.
Yeah. So you ready to get rid of a few then?
No.
I hear you. Howdy. I've always had a thing for that color of blue.
Yeah.
Always wanted one. Rosie. Huh? 64 and a half, the classic. Yeah, still somewhat of an affordable Mustang if you wanted to get into one. So you got her to start?
Oh yeah, it was a stupidity thing on my part. I had switched coils, and I have all my coils marked with a little white out on the positive. Well, the coil I switched to, I fucked up and I had the white mark on the negative.
Oh yeah.
So I had the wires crossed.
I wondered if that was the deal.
So yeah, because it was like popping. It would start, but it wouldn't run with the shit. So I was like,
Yeah, they'll run backwards, but like crap.
yeah. Then I got in there with the flashlight and went, oh god.
We did the same to my buddy's Dodge 440. The wires got crossed. They're the same damn color.
Oh yeah.
And you couldn't tell. Somebody finally came in there. Well, we tested. They're crossed. And they're doing the same thing. Heating up coils. Stopped getting spark. suddenly it'd run just fine.
Yeah,
And yeah.
It would fire right up, and then next time I drive it,
It'd be all rough.
And I get home, and next time I start it, and I just fight with it. The fight start. I thought,
Yeah,
what the
that's
hell is happening here. I never have problems with this car.
Well, at least you figured out it was your fault, not the car.
That's right. I'm always happier about that.
Uh-huh. And she's a stick too. That is awesome.
Actually, it's a 5-speed stick too.
Oh, you upgraded her?
Yeah, I've upgraded it.
They now sell these with all redone speakers. They're cool. I thought about getting those for my car though. 289 green machine. I like that.
This was a black one at first. We get it closer.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
She's that dark metallic. That's what my dad had, but in green. There, that was his last Mustang, I could say. Was that green 65 2+2. That is pretty. I like that. So was that girl.
No,
Yeah.
it's ours. Yeah, I get that part.
Yeah.
So they had the
2+2. This is what you want though, the old white one here. That is a pretty car. Howdy. She got a stick in her. It's rare to see them with sticks as much. All original and not restored. Yes, that's amazing. You get a fortune out of that because of that. Amazing being a stick too. Here's the only Mustang too, and I gotta go to her. I think I've seen this one before. Woo! They went all crazy on their old 302, didn't they? Who knows if it's still a 302 now. Yep. Cobra 2. You gotta love a Cobra 2. Boss 302. Woo! Red Boss. That's a dream car there. That's a gorgeous car. Oh, somebody replaced the seats though. Oh, they're definitely not factory. Yeah, there's that little old stick. Ordered and built by the Oregon State Police. 106. I like this old pace car. That is cool. How you doing, man?
How's it going?
Got her back again, huh?
Yes, sir. Long time no see.
Yeah. We'll see if any shenanigans happen this time.
Right? Yeah.
That is so unusual for these cars. So did you do the carbon fiber hood to it?
So I didn't make the hood. I didn't put it on. But it's from like a mom and pop shop.
Uh-huh.
It's mainly in Japan. They do a bunch of like custom-ish kind of like maybe not custom, but like with that.
Mm-hmm.
Like different carbon form factors for different panels, different cars, and all that. So.
I like it though. It's an unusual critter. I like unusual critters.
Me too.
I like that too.
Man, that's
Yeah.
Like from England.
yeah.
Oh yeah. My cousin had one of these, and I tell you what, it had that old pancake engine in it.
Yeah.
And it was a spark plug blowing nightmare. That thing blew out number 4.
Yeah.
Oh, that chrome.
Murdered that one so much.
Yeah, this. That's what I was about to say. Sheath a shining. Convertible. You'd be like vanilla ice on that one, wouldn't you? Ice, baby. He's pretty. And there's some chrome. Howdy. The old GT. I remember those old controls. Small, low to the ground. Probably gets great gas mileage. Hello, what a pretty truck.
Hi, thank you. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, it sure is. I was just telling my buddy, if I had to have another truck, an old one, it would be one like this. This is perfect for getting your groceries over into it. This is a good looking car too. I've seen this at a few car shows. There we go. Look at that pretty girl. There you go. Ford Torino GT. 427. So they must have redid the engine in her to have 560 horsepower. Boss 351 block. Oh, so she got a new engine in her. Look at that. Ain't the original. Oh. Here's the finest stock car I've ever seen.
Hey Mike, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Out here checking out rides.
Yeah.
Beautiful day for it, ain't it?
It is gorgeous.
How is dirty? Look at that, 80 horsepower, 4-cylinder. This is such an original car. I mean, beautiful condition. The owner is absolutely nice as pie. Dirty trunk. A little, maybe a little. Oh, she's a one of one too. Yeah. So that's the only one with tinted windows of this color, basically. Yeah. What a cute little car. I mean, we used to run the heck out of these Pintos back in the day. And we used to joke that you'd never see them in car shows, and yet here we are. How do you ever see one with that nice of a vinyl top? And this was on My Classic Car, basically, Dennis Gage. Yep, right here. So if you ever want to hear some more about this car, it's on My Classic Car with Dennis Gage. Very nice little car though. That's the old Pinto Iron Duke. I love that they put the 2V and it's still on there, the sticker. I wonder if that's the original sticker. This car got a lot of original stickers on it. You see some of them barely holding on. Gosh, she's in great shape. You just don't see Pintos like that. How cool is that? I like this Fairlane too. generous old girl.
About one.
That's why.
But there's 29 total clubs represented here, so that's a great showing. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Are you in a club? All right. Here he goes. Beautiful car. I love her.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. All right. Here comes the mighty Pinto. Dennis Gage version. All right. Burning rubber, man. No. Have a good one. Nice talking to you and meeting you, man. What a nice guy.